What's up, you guys? My name is Barry. Do you know how hard it is sometimes to make these vlogs for you guys? Well, obviously with what I'm carrying today, I got my Canon oil filter, some Liquid Moly 5W30. It's obvious, it's gonna be oil change. So I'm trying out Liquid Moly for the first time. I'm usually AMSOIL, but you know, I'm in Germany. I was like, you know, let's try Liquid Moly, made in Germany. You know, made in Germany, let's try it out. So I'm hoping it feels good. Being that I'm in Germany, one thing I can't do is change my own oil in the driveway. I usually do it on, you know, if you watch my videos, I usually do it at home. But here I can't drop a spill of oil, gas, brake fluid, anything. Antifreeze, I can't drop any speck of any of the fluids on the ground. Otherwise, I will receive a huge fine. My car's a little special, so I gotta remove this. And continue. Okay, what am I working with today? All right, and bam, gotta remove that. No match for me. And I'm gonna empty that out today. Liquid Moly, changing that out today with a Canon 70. Yes. Ready to go. Push up to go up. All right, now I gotta make sure everything's on. Everything looks like it's on. Yep, good to go. Now I'm gonna raise this thing all the way as high as I can without touching the ceiling with my hood. How much space do I need? Yes. I like to use the LEXUS screwdriver first and get these off. Honestly, this oil change is like any LEXUS. Any LEXUS can, it's like this. And now we get the oil houser, oil filter housing. Uh-oh, where'd my screws go? Don't lose those. Don't lose those. Lefty loosey, let's go. Okay, there we go. Lefty loosey, just keep going. Ooh. I usually like to twist it off now that I have the space. Oh my God. That is a lot of oil. We don't need this anymore. Come on, come on. Okay, well, it won't come out. Yep, just let it drain all the way. Good to go. Now we're gonna put it back in. Also want to clean the inside of that too. So put this back down, put this over there, bring this over here, and do this. mating surface. Clean that. All right, now we're ready. There should be no oil dripping. Push that aside. And here we go. If it gets tough, just start using the wrench. All right. And tighten, there we go. This thing needs to come out, come on. There we go. That worked. That worked great. Okay, now we're ready to drain the oil, which is a 14. LEXUS always use a 14 millimeter for all drain, including the transmission and the oil. So locate it, which is right here. Bam, 14 like I said. Bring this back. Now, let's do this. Lefty loosey. Oh God. All right, that broke it. All right, let's see if I'm ready for this. Not really. This is gonna be super hot. Let me use this. Hopefully it separates me from the heat, protects me. Ah, there we go. Yeah, there we go. This is the crush washer. This is why you should always replace the crush washer, but I don't have crush washer, so I'm gonna reuse it. Don't follow me for tips and advice, don't. To me, it still works, but yeah, I'm gonna replace this on the next one. But this is why you should replace it. So because the oil's finished draining, we're gonna put this back. Or at least I'm gonna put it back. It just makes it easier while this is draining. I'm gonna just put this back. Bam. Don't forget your 3 screws and your LEXUS cross tip. Yep, still draining. Everything's so much easier with a 2-post lift. For some reason, just, you know, I got all this space. I'm not crouching. It's amazing. So far, I like it. Good to go. All right, still draining. All right, now we'll just get the oil ready, really. Okay, it's not fully drained yet, but I'm gonna, oh, there it is, the trickle. So once it's trickling, wipe off the area, mating surface, and then you're going to put the drain plug in. And again, I recommend using a new crush washer. All right, that's good. Now I gotta clean the area, and then I gotta tighten it. Righty tighty. All right, hand tighten for me. Now that I'm done with this thing, I'm gonna push it away. Now I'm gonna lower it, and then I'm gonna add the oil, and I'm gonna change the AOS. I like this. This is pretty convenient. Usually you would have a hydraulic handle and then this, but this is really nice. Maybe I dropped it too fast. Anyways, so I still have to change this out, but I've got that open. That makes it easier for it to drain. So now I'm gonna pour in 9.8 quarts. All right, let's see how they do it with liquid moly. Got a little handle thing there. Okay, impressive. Oh, it's got a little spout. Oh, I might not actually need a funnel. Come on. Oh, okay, okay. What's that? Another one? Okay. Oh, okay. What color is it? Oh, I don't know, but I'm interested in seeing the color. It's going in there. All right, let's see if I can do this without spilling. Oh, and it's green. Well, at least my brakes are green, so my oil is green, my DRLs are green. I got a lot of green on this car now. Outside and in. Yeah, so it's actually better for this to pour it sideways. Otherwise, if you pour it the other way, where it's like this way, it'll spill everywhere. But as you notice, I didn't really spill anything yet. Notice I said yet. I could probably put the whole thing in there like this. Ooh. That's gonna create a mess. What I like to do is I like to leave the mouth in there. That way it drains the rest of the... Now for the next one. Now what I like to do is add 3/4 of this 5 liter jug, 3/4 only, because it's not going to take full on 9.8. It's just not. So once I do this, I like to pull out the dipstick and then figure out how much I have left. That right there was 5,000 miles of just blow by and all that. So yeah, you should get one of these. They really work. If you're questioning it, it works. Just know it works. And we still read it. Just like that, we're good. With all that being done, it should be getting enough time for all that new oil to go down so we can get an accurate reading. Pull this out and wipe it. It goes back in. Gets the reading, comes back out. Let's see what we got. It's very hard for you guys to see, but it's actually halfway between the 2 dots. Halfway. So it'll take about one half quart. I filled up enough, and now I can close this. 5W30, remember that. Oil changes made simple by Liquid Moly. Don't forget to go to settings and then maintenance system and then initialize. Alright guys, that's the conclude today's video. Thank you for watching. This is my first Liquid Moly experience. Moly is one hell of a Moly's good stuff, if you know what I mean. So no, I'm just kidding. But Liquid Moly's pretty good oil, and first time using a 2-post lift to do an oil change, and man, there's a lot of room over my head. I like that. So overall, I paid 10 bucks, and I'll leave a link in the description to all the stuff that I use or how I got the Liquid Moly. So Liquid Moly here in Germany, it costs 70 euro. Now, if you translate 70 euro to United States, you're looking at like $80 for one jug of 5 liters. So, but I'll leave the link in the description below of how I got Liquid Moly, and for a good price. Let's say that, for a good price. Amazon's the way to do it. Let's just say that Amazon's the way to do it. So, but anyways, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching as always. Thank you for supporting the channel, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace.